Hi there, and thanks for watching my video today. I am going to be discussing how you can take the products you already have on your Etsy store, your digital products such as your clip art or other digital items such as printables, and you can also sell them on a platform called Gumroad. The really cool thing about Gumroad is, although it will take a little bit of work, it is allowing your products to get extra eyeballs on them. And it's relatively easy to do. They don't charge any, at this point of this video, now this is all subject to change, but normally they do not charge any listing fees. So you can put your products there. They charge a one-time selling fee. If your item sells, then you pay 10%. And that is, of course, as of the date of this. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through the Gumroad down here because it usually tells you exactly how much. Let me see if it tells us here. Let's see. This is just kind of showing you some different things you can do. You can sell ebooks. You can sell your clip art. Anything digital you can sell. Okay, pricing. Let's look at this. Okay, so it's a 10% flat fee. And how do you get paid? You can do direct deposit or you can do PayPal, and it does vary by country. And what are the fees? Okay, theirs are simple, it's 10%, but there are PayPal fees or processing fees. So if you're using Stripe, then it's 2.9% plus 30 cents. And then if you're using PayPal, their fees are, well, thought that would take us to it, but anyway, it's around the same amount. I won't say it's exactly that amount, but you are going to do that. Okay. You can set your own like return policy. I don't have a return. I do have a return policy. I don't allow returns because obviously it is a digital product. But anyway, so what I'm going to do is I am going to go in and show you. I've only gotten started with this, so I only have 2 products. But I did want to show you kind of what the product looks like and how you can look at it. So basically, you can also do multiple images so they can see everything. It's kind of set up like this. So you've got your description here. You're on your sales page. They can do a buy this, and it tells them exactly what they're getting. Really good. And so this, it has the little, they can scroll through and see my images. And I have my watermarks on them. So this is the first pack that I put on. I also even included my video that I actually do. Not sure why. You can go in and easily edit if you see something else that you want to. It's really a fairly simple setup. You can add bold. You have a little bit more customizations available than you do on Etsy. But my thoughts are the more places that I have my products, the more likely somebody will see them that likes them. And so I think the market is pretty much wide open over in Gumroad. The really cool thing is Gumroad actually does have a selling platform. So if you have a Shopify store that you're paying for, which is great, and that is definitely another avenue of income, but you do have to drive your own traffic to that store. And on the Gumroad platform, you actually do have, well, this is the library. This is where you can keep up with your own purchases and stuff, okay? So, but you can go to Discover, and this is the platform here. So you can search by different types of, if it's artwork, you can search for that. You can search for education. You know, there's just all sorts of different categories. You can search up here for clip art and see what it comes up with. And you'll see ratings on certain ones, so you can kind of do a couple searches. So this will show you some things that you would be sort of competing with. So there's lots of different prompts and clip art and stuff. If I have to say, it is set up in categories, but it's not necessarily like, for instance, you can kind of find out who's selling what by going into their reviews. And you can kind of see this is a pack of clip art here. And you can see that they've received 8 ratings here. You scroll on down. They've had 8 ratings. So they've sold at least 8 things. So it's just like I said, if you want to take the time to load your stuff up, then you will have a potential for creating a following over on the Gumroad platform. And it's not going to cost you anything up front. You can drive traffic there if you feel like the fees are, you're going to make more money there. But you have a lot of different opportunities to create printables or different things. You can also, when you're searching over here, you're going to see like their staff picks and different things, the products by category. Spend a little bit of time to kind of get to know the platform and go from there. Thank you. I'm so glad that you were able to join me for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it and that it will be a help in your business. I use Artistly AI to create all of my artwork. If you're curious about it, I do have a link with my affiliate link down in the description box. Check it out. They have a money-back guarantee for, I don't know exactly how many days. At one point, it was 30 days. So you can check it out, and if you don't like it, it doesn't work for you, you can always ask for a refund. I do have a special group on Facebook that I'd love to welcome you into if you use my affiliate link and want to learn more about how to use Artistly in your business. And I just want to thank you for watching my video. If you would, like and subscribe and leave me a comment. And I hope you have a great day. See you next time.